So primarily, the project is about science. So it's about recording reef environments so that we can monitor change over time. But it also allows us to engage people with these environments because 99.9% of people don't dive. And this allows us to really allow anybody to go and explore these environments.
This new street view imagery hopefully will encourage more people to think about the importance of these locations, do a bit of research and actually think about how we can work together to try and conserve them. So we hope the imagery encourages more people to just go and see it for themselves online, but also that it might encourage people to visit there in person as well. So see the national parks online and then actually go there in person and do the trails themselves.